Yoga for Beginners, a step-by-step guide, is a comprehensive resource designed to introduce newcomers to the practice of yoga, offering guidance on the basics, techniques, and benefits. This guide aims to make the journey into yoga accessible and enjoyable. Here's an outline of key points this video might cover. 1. Introduction to yoga. Define yoga and its holistic approach to physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Emphasize that yoga is for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. 2. Understanding different yoga styles. Briefly explain popular yoga styles such as Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, and Yin. Highlight the differences in pace, intensity, and focus to help beginners choose a style that aligns with their goals and preferences. 3. Setting up your space. Offer practical tips for creating a conducive environment for practicing yoga at home or in a studio. This includes choosing a quiet space, using a yoga mat, and having any necessary props. 4. Basic yoga etiquette. Provide guidelines on yoga etiquette, such as arriving on time, being respectful to the instructor and fellow practitioners, and turning off electronic devices. 5. Essential yoga equipment. Outline the basic yoga gear beginners may need, including a yoga mat, comfortable clothing, and optional props like blocks and straps. 6. Breathing techniques, pranayama. Introduce fundamental breathing exercises to enhance mindfulness and focus. Explain the importance of breath control in yoga and how it complements the physical postures. 7. Basic yoga poses, asanas. Demonstrate a selection of foundational yoga poses suitable for beginners, such as mountain pose, downward-facing dog, warrior 1 and 2, and child's pose. Provide step-by-step instructions for each pose. 8. Sun salutations, Surya Namaskar. Break down the components of sun salutations, a sequence commonly used as a warm-up or as a standalone practice. Include modifications for beginners and emphasize the link between breath and movement. 9. Building a routine. Guide beginners in creating a simple yet effective yoga routine. Suggest starting with shorter sessions and gradually increasing duration as comfort and proficiency grow. 10. Mindfulness and meditation. Introduce the principles of mindfulness and meditation within the context of yoga. Explain how these practices can enhance mental clarity and reduce stress. 11. Listening to your body. Emphasize the importance of listening to one's body and modifying poses as needed. Encourage beginners to honor their limits and avoid pushing too hard, promoting a sustainable and injury-free practice. 12. Benefits of yoga. Highlight the numerous physical and mental health benefits of a consistent yoga practice, including increased flexibility, improved posture, stress reduction, and enhanced overall well-being. 13. Seeking professional guidance. Recommend attending classes with certified yoga instructors or using online resources for guided sessions. Stress the importance of proper alignment and technique to prevent injuries. 14. Progression and patience. Remind beginners that progress in yoga is a gradual process. Encourage patience and a non-judgmental attitude toward personal development. In conclusion, Yoga for Beginners, a step-by-step guide, is a user-friendly resource designed to empower newcomers to embark on a fulfilling and enriching yoga journey, fostering physical health, mental well-being, and a deeper connection with the self.